All through history have done such foolhardy things as believing that steam could run an engine, or that crops would grow on the deserts of California, or that a voice could carry over a wire. It was men like these who said, "We'll drill deeper," who drilled and failed once more, and saw their careers and their reputations burning away beneath the desert sun. And then, at Dammam, it happened. Oil in commercial quantities had been brought in after 3 long, discouraging years. This was the goal toward which they had striven. This was the victory that faith and sweat had bought. A long road has been traveled since those early years. There have been changes and great expansions. The original concession has been enlarged and now embraces an area of 440,000 square miles, equal to the states of California and Texas combined. Since that first paying well established Dammam as a major oil field and Saudi Arabia as an oil country, other fields have been discovered. Production has risen until, in 1947, it reached close to 19 million barrels, from less than 4 million in 1939. In the prolific Abqaiq field, production by the end of 1947 was averaging about 200,000 barrels a day. Oil from Abqaiq is sent by pipeline to Dhahran, about 40 miles away. From there, more than 100,000 barrels daily flow through one of the world's largest underwater pipelines to the Bahrain Petroleum Company's refinery on Bahrain Island. The rest is moved by pipeline for shipment abroad, or for processing in the company's refinery on the mainland at Ras Tanura. This modern plant was planned to help meet the enormous wartime demands for military petroleum products. The project was approved by the Joint Chiefs of Staff in 1943. It was rushed to completion in 1945 at a cost of approximately $50 million, all of which was put up by the company. In this work, about 1,000 Americans and 5,000 Saudi Arabs were employed for 1.5 years. Its rated capacity was 50,000 barrels daily, but it has actually been turning out more than 115,000 barrels a day, 230% of its original rated capacity. Supplying this refinery required the drilling of additional wells and the building of pipelines to deliver crude oil from the fields.